For now, let's go with the throw.
I think there's so many developments that have come from that first segment. Of course, Dunning revelations right there, and of course we say here that we unravel all unfiltered conversations, and that's what we are definitely giving you. Just the other day, actually, one of the biggest questions, and I know people always want to talk about, is when the assets and recovery agency decided to ditch that case after they were ordered by the High Court, and so they gave you back your 574 million shillings.
I won all my cases, but a small clarification before we reach there.
Yes.
You know, after all that, whatever I did, all the allegations I've made, you see there's an action that I took. Against the Chief Justice. I'm sorry I forgot to print these letters, very important letters from the Judicial Service Commission. I'll just print them and send them so that you have your own copies. So that we don't talk our things here, then tomorrow you find yourself in court.
We need the copies of all the evidence.
All the evidence. Now, I think on the 21st of July 2022, I downloaded all the clips from Spice FM. And the manner in which my proceedings were hurriedly done or conducted by the Supreme Court, that was wrong. So I personally complained and I wrote to the JSC. It was petition number 40 of 2022 against the Honorable Lady Justice Martha Koome, the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya. Myself was the petitioner through the law firm of Mogaka, Musyoki and Company Advocates, Wakili Dunstan Omari. What really shocked me, I was the main complainant. I was not summoned by the then JSC to come and talk about this complaint, to come and shed light why have I brought a petition against the Chief Justice for her removal, which I believe had sufficient evidence for her removal. And I was shocked just to receive a letter from the then JSC that my petition against the Chief Justice was dismissed. And I wish to read this letter, and allow me to read this letter on the 19th September. There are two letters. One addressed to me by the Judicial Service Commission, the then Secretary of the Judicial Service Commission, who is Madam Ann Amadi, and she copied the same to the Chief Justice, the Judicial Service Commission chairperson. And they said, Honorable Mike Bobby Sonko, I did not receive this letter in my email or my box office. I did not complain against Honorable Lady Justice Martha Koome, Chief Justice. The above subject matter refers. Kindly note that upon consideration, the Commission on the 18th August 2022 resolved that the petition has dismissed, the petition be dismissed since the same did not disclose grounds for removal of the Honorable Chief Justice from office and Article 164, 168, sub-article 4 of the Constitution. Okay? In dismissing the petition, the Commission noted the following. The Supreme Court decision, which was the subject of the petition, was delivered by the entire court and cannot therefore be attributed to the Chief Justice. I'll come to this. 2, an application for the recusal of Honorable Chief Justice was made and subsequently dismissed by the entire court, not Chief Justice alone. They're admitting that I applied for her to be recused based on allegations she made here. Meaning I'm not lying. 3, some of the allegations made were against Mumo and Bosire and not the Honorable Chief Justice. I'll talk about Mumo and Bosire as well. This is therefore to convey to you the above decision of the Commission dismissing your petition against the Chief Justice. Yours faithfully, Ann Amadi, Secretary of the Judicial Service Commission. this letter. Yeah? This Bosire and Momo, Momo was a journalist. At some point I was a journalist when I was appointed, when I was elected as the governor of Nairobi. Mike Momo was one of the presenters at Capital.
Yeah, Capital FM.
Yeah. I appointed him as the director of Nairobi Water. Bosire was working with Citizen.
Yes.
I appointed him as the county deputy director communication. He's down in the States.
Yes.
Now this Momo was very loyal. At some point the Chief Justice poached him. He became the director of communication at the Chief Justice's office. There are some facts I do want to talk about. I came to know so many things about my case. Yeah. At times Momo was told by the CJ to make some calls through the landline. He got a lot of evidence, which I don't want to go to that direction because the Chief Justice is not here to defend herself. But it's covered in my JSC petition. All the evidence I got through Momo, who was working inside Chief Justice's office. I never lie. I normally have receipts. And this is which I'm having against our Chief Justice. And I want to blackmail her. It is not fair for me to talk about them. But since the JSC has said here, they are there. And I'm still pursuing this. I want to know what law did they use to dismiss this impeachment without summoning me as the main petitioner who has all the evidence. Yeah, very serious evidence. Yeah, and they cannot tell me the mistake was committed by the was not committed by the entire bench. No, she was the presiding judge. Why in the case of Chitembwe there were 3 judges? Why did I go for Chitembwe? Because I had evidence against him. And wakasema ni uongo unadanganya. When I went public, you know me, I believe in the court of public opinion. I may not get justice in court, but I have to clear myself in the court of public opinion. Yeah. Right now there is a very good petition which is ongoing at the Senate and at the court. Yeah. But I don't want to be cleared with that petition. It talks about the term under which a governor is impeached. If you are not, are you supposed to stay forever? You know, there's no sentence that has, there is no conviction that has no sentence. Even murder cases, they have sentence these days. Get my point? So I'm not interested in that. You see, if I'm cleared because of the timelines, or interpretation of the timelines, for what time is the governor supposed to, the period the governor is supposed to be out once impeached, I don't want to go that direction. Because I'll still be guilty of the offenses which were brought during my impeachment. I want to go for full clearance. Yeah. Now this letter of JSC, this new JSC, I'm sure I'm going to get justice. Yeah. Because at the moment there is an active order blocking any person from taking the JSC to court until that is done, and that is why there is a boycott. Yeah. What are they blocking? Why do they not want the truth? They let the truth come out, then they let them defend themselves. Yeah? Let me come with all my evidence allegation against the CJ. She has lawyers. She'll defend herself. Yeah. This particular case, I don't want to complicate the other judges in the Supreme Court. Yeah. My complaint is against the CJ. She's the one who came here and talked about my impeachment case, not the other judges. Yeah. Why they're dismissing my case based on the evidence I have is for Chief Justice, not for other judges. But she was the presiding judge. Why apply law selectively? Why the same Supreme Court in the Chitembwe's case, where I won the case all the way from the JSC, the tribunal, and the Supreme Court itself. Yeah, I dealt with Chitembwe because I had evidence against Chitembwe. I didn't have evidence against Justice Weldon Korir, who was one of the judges hearing my case. That lady Okwani. No, you know. You cannot tarnish the name of judges here. Yeah? I want to stick to facts and the law. I have a problem, a genuine one. Yeah, based on law and facts, not allegations, not insults. And I want to repeat, I respect the Honorable Chief Justice. I respect the judiciary. There are judges and magistrates who are doing their work. Yeah? Without corruption, without inducement, you see, they follow the law. But when a case comes whereby I've been in my constitutional rights have been infringed, I have to talk about it. Yeah, using facts and law. So the bench, even the JSC, that time, the bench which was there in 2022, they were wrong.
Yes.
Because they cannot dismiss my case based on the evidence I have does not complicate the other 6 judges within the bench. My evidence against the CJ. She didn't come here with the other 6 judges. Yeah?
It was individual.
I had my clip, yeah, which I enclosed together with the petition. It was never played. Bosire and Momo were never summoned. Yeah? I was even never summoned to shed light. Why dismiss my case under mysterious grounds? Yeah? So I believe I did not get justice. Yeah? And still I'm going to pursue justice.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, I'm going to pursue justice. Then there's another letter also by JSC. Recently, some few months ago, before this boycott by the LSK,
Yes.
I protested again. Yeah?
Yeah.
I protested. But this is a new JSC which came after the elections. This is 2025. Yeah?
Yeah.
Now they just gave communication, and I'm sure the real JSC is not aware about this. Yeah? The current one.
Yeah.
This new one of Kina Omwanza, the new guys in the commission. Yeah? So they are repeating themselves again. This time, 1st of December 2025, recently, they wrote now to my lawyer, repeated the same sentiments, reference is made to your letter dated first. I wrote again to them to remind them on the outcome of my JC petition against Chief Justice Mother Kome. Yeah, I'm not a fool or a madman to write to JC. Yeah, if I know there was a response dismissing my case in 2022. Yeah, I was writing to them to pursue. Yeah, when am I going to be called to give evidence, to shed light on what transpired in my case? So I think somebody is protecting the Chief Justice, maybe from the then JSC. So I'm humbly appealing to the current JSC, yeah, to the judiciary, the judges who are handling this judges, Supreme Court judges matter in the High Court, who gave an injunction for us not to pursue justice through the JSC, to expedite those particular cases. Yeah? We want to pursue this JSC cases. Some of us, we are jobless now. Yeah? We know politics is our everything, the only way kwa maisha yetu. So I'm still pursuing this case. I'm just waiting for those cases to be concluded so that I can proceed to pursue justice. Still on this, I still went to the LSK disciplinary committee. My own lawyer, Cecil Miller, in this matter. Yeah, I took him before that court because he ditched me as my lawyer. Yeah, he went and took a side on the other government side, to the other side. Yeah, and from the Chitembo's case, I want to talk about it because it's in the public domain. The LSK, the JSC verdict, and the Supreme Court, and the how do you call it, the tribunal, that the evidence is the public domain. At some point, my own lawyer told the judge's brother, Amana Chitembwe, that the State House guys don't want Sonko. Please go and tell the judge that judgment, if it's in favor of Sonko, he should change it. I understand the law. I even took action against my own lawyer, Cecil Miller. And I'm shocked. I'm shocked. Because the time I was supposed to testify before the LSK tribunal, disciplinary, whatever, Miller rushed to court and got a stay, an injunction that we should not proceed with the matter until that matter is heard. Yeah? So when LSK should look into that.
Yes.
If a lawyer backstabs a client who is seeking for justice, what kind of a punishment that lawyer is supposed to face or get? And I'm shocked. Because Kapito is an old man now, I cannot accuse him here. He's one of the lawyers I trust.
Yes.
I just learned that my case has been withdrawn from LSK without my consent, without my knowledge. I'm yet to follow that. There's a lawyer called Wena who is acting for Miller in that particular case. I want to do a thorough follow-up. I look for Camilo. He's a mzee I respect. I cannot talk about him here. He's very old. He's a good mzee. I've been winning cases through his advice and so many things. Yeah. But if you case that imekuwa withdrawn, I am not aware. Last week it was withdrawn. Yeah. So I'll still do a thorough follow-up. Okay. Still on this case, I support the boycott by the LSK. However, there are some magistrates and judges who are normally targeted, especially when they're looking for promotions. I don't want to mention names here.
Who are they?
You see, some judges are unasikia judge ameekewa pesa ameshikwa na anti-corruption. Na haelewi how he or she has been trapped and arrested. You see, such judges or magistrates, they have a right of going to court. To stop those kind of prosecution. Until their part is heard, or both sides are being heard. There's so many magistrates, even judges, who are normally targeted.
What do you mean they're targeted by who?
Maybe when they want to go for promotions. There's competition also in the judiciary. Maybe kuna mtu zingine anatoka senior principal magistrate all the way mpaka judge, provided amepitia JC na akapata akaenda interview akasucceed, which is everywhere, even in government, even in the police, even here KTN. Kuna mahali lazima mnapigana nyinyi wenyewe kwa wenyewe. Lazima watu wapendani. So I support the boycott, but also some of these magistrates who have rushed to court to chunga their reputation from being tarnished, they have a right to kimbia, to block. But this is the issue of to block JSC from doing their work. That one is wrong. We want these cases to be expedited so that people like us, let us be heard. If we don't have evidence or don't prove our case beyond any reasonable doubts, they'll be dismissed, but after being heard. But you cannot dismiss my petition without hearing me. You are denying me my right to fair trial, right to fair hearing, which is unconstitutional. So I'm still pursuing that direction. And also I'm still pursuing a review. I have to file a fresh review that has not been heard by the Supreme Court based on the new evidence that is in my possession. I've got very bad receipts.
Why did you collect these receipts?
Let it be a story for another day.
How did you collect these receipts? Where did you collect them? And why the Chief Justice?
In everything, loyalty is key. Somebody like Michael Momo has been fired from the
Communications Department.
Chief Justice's office.
Recently?
It must be last year. For leaking info. So I make use some of this leaked info. I get it.
First hand.
Like the Chitembo case, I was told, Mashako impeachment or Kalale. You don't know what you're talking about. You don't know what you're talking about. No, I brought the evidence. Where is the guy now? Shawa niko nyumbani, sasa yuko nyumbani.
Ako Mombasa.
Ako ni wakili tunakutana kwa corridors tunasalimiana.
Mombasa pale.
So we cannot just come here to make allegations without receipts. We will be sued.
So why do you have these damning allegations about the CJ? And why the CJ? Why not any other person?
Because the evidence I have is against him. The Supreme Court is composed of 7 judges. One has died. May his soul continue resting in peace. He's a Muslim who says, that's Justice Mohammed Ibrahim. There's a very fresh judge who has come, Mohammed. Everything was Justice Orsame. He was not there when my impeachment case was ongoing. I don't have any complaint against the other 6 judges. I don't have. Because I don't have evidence that they talked about my case in any public forum when the matter was active in court. I don't have any evidence against it.
And of course, for any Kenyan who feels that their rights have been violated,
maybe in the next petition that I filed before the JC, maybe I'll have a complaint with them in the manner in which they were conducting my impeachment case. They hurriedly rushed, dealt with it within some few hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. We marked those days.
From 12th.
Directions 12th. Had copies on 13th while I was in another matter. Yeah.
14th.
Hearing 14th. 15 all the 7 judges
Judgment.
have finished with me.
And read
Haraka ilikuwa ni ya nini?
Yeah.
Why were they denying me justice? So gocha evidence yangu ikuje, then one dismiss my case. Why wana dismiss haraka mbio? And I was elected by almost 1 million people.
In your own expression, has the judicial transformation scaled up, or has it
No.
scaled up?
We need a further transformation. Yeah. We need to clean that Supreme Court.
What
We need to have a new, just like JSC. We need a new bench. Yeah. We need a new bench. The other guys complaining out there. It's not, this is not about Songo. Even I've not heard Kanjama mentioning about this case anywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm supporting his position, the current LSK stand, because at some point LSK came to court to defend my case, how I was removed, how another governor was appointed, and this is a small world.
Yes.
Yesterday, my 2 good friends, Mimi, I believe that they should not be. We should not have permanent enmity in politics.
Yes.
Yeah. My predecessor, that time, Governor Ann Kananu, and one of the lawyers for Ann Kananu, Mr. Kiari, who was in record for Kananu when he was being sworn in. They're my good friends, but I don't blame them, because that time there were forces from above. Yeah, we all know above is good.
Yes.
Even this Supreme Court, they were being pushed because there were some other forces from above.
So who is this guy from? You talked about deep state.
Yeah.
Deep state. Who are the deep state?
Okay, deep state are the people protecting the government, people around the president, people protecting the system. The former president was my good friend.
Yes.
Yeah. And my problem started when I differed with him.
What was the source of?
I'll come now. The source. There are 2 issues here, and I'm blaming myself. When I was serving as the governor the first days in office, I meant well, because Nairobi was just about corruption. Me, I wanted to make Nairobi a corruption-free county.
Yes.
I wanted to deliver services, and I want to thank God, because the first days in office, I tried my best. Some money was being brought. These stories, I've been talking about it wherever. Hata nishaongea tena hapa.
Yes.
Ni mambo ya pesa. Pesa nililetewa.
Every day.
Every day. Some days, because I just stopped it immediately. I didn't want to be part and parcel of making wealth through stealing from the public coffers.
Corrupt ways.
Yeah. Nilitoa around between 60 to 70 million.
Wow.
I was loyal enough. Jioni I took this money to the president. Na nikamwambia rais, hii ndio pesa nimeletewa, hati ni yangu na bibi yangu, nipeleke nyumbani. Wewe ni sure man, zile bangi zako zile. Unaleta mwambia excellency, this is a true story.
Yeah.
Akaita vice president who was Ruto.
Yes.
Ruto came. Kama nakumbuka hiyo story. Tukakuwa pamoja. Hiyo shongo akamwambia hiyo si nimeletewa. Okay, let us lay a trap. His intelligence guys, NSIS, DCI, blah blah blah, they came to my office, bagged the office with their instruments, equipments. The money was brought again, and they captured it. Yeah, from their hidden micro cameras.
Yes.
And we took it again to State House. Ruto was called again, the president, current. That time, by then he was the deputy president. And then now we said we should look for a solution to stop this leakage of
Corruption.
Yeah. What did we do? Immediately, tukaweka cashless system, revenue collection. And the current president himself, when he was the vice president, and the president himself, those clips are there. Yeah, internet, you cannot lie.
Yes.
They came, we launched that
Cashless.
collection. Okay, Kidero had tried, but it was just 11 revenue streams.
Okay.
One that is over 100 had not been digitized.
Okay.
So there was leakage of revenue. Money was being stolen, it's true. Yeah? Money was being stolen. That's a reality. But I came with a permanent solution to block. And what happened after that? The revenue was very liquid.
Yes.
I was paying salary from on-source revenue on every 25th of every month. Even after blocking the revenue streams, some of the lawyers used to come for this money. They get Ganeshi orders from magistrates court, serve them to the banks. They used to take that money still. What did we do with the president before we deferred? Yeah, we used to sweep this money at close of business on daily basis to CBK. To CBK. At some point, when we raided the cash offices, we found guys with a lot of money in cash, in pockets, huku kwa underwear, kwa boxer, watu walikuwa wanaficha pesa. We stopped it.
Yes.
Yeah? The bank was just 50 meters away. You can even throw a stone, it reaches kwa bank mlangoni. But guys were allowing money kulala kwa county. Asubuhi pepe bags na mala kwa tuchumi zina beba pesa. So I stopped that. Yeah? So nikaonyesha national government, Nairobi kuna pesa. Reason number 2. There was this investment, Northlands. It was a good investment. And other estates which were upcoming within those posh areas. There was not sufficient drainage to support this kind of investments and developments which were coming. The drainage at Kiambu was not enough.
They couldn't take the waste.
The waste. So it was decided that tutumie drainage ya Nairobi kuleta hii west all the way through Wai. And by doing so, the government, the county government both, and Nairobi, national government, were supposed to displace over 1 million slum dwellers. So nikamwambia ndani mkako na kina Matiangi na kina Kibicho, muangalie vile mtabomoa hizi slums, tutoe hawa maskini, drainage ipite. So I differed with kina Kibicho and Matiangi and the national security team.
You objected?
Yeah, because I still have a future in this country. This is my first term kuwa governor, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2022. The president anaenda retire. Hey ajali, niambia gonga. Me I said no. Sitana na county askari na county kazi kuzifront kupiga wananchi wala nendeka kwa kiti. Wala nendeka kwa kiti. I will never go that direction. So what happened? A military guy was brought.
Yes.
Badi. To come and do that work. So kidogo nika kwa sideline. Yeah. Nika kwa kando kwa sababu sikutii vile boss amesema. Nikaanza kuwa adui. Haya, kuna some issues like the Ruaraka case. All the people came to defend the grabber. Yeah?
Yes.
Wakasema shule ni private. But going to the all county records, it says that was a subdivision. Yeah? If you have a big investment, a big subdivision, you surrender 10% to the county. That was land surrender to the county. The GSU, Ruaraka Primary, the nursery which was there, driving. So me, I came to Senate, I shed light. Yeah? I talked the truth. I testified, I said, no, this should be public.
Yes.
But other ministers, for instance, now, Matiang'i became the internal security. Then this Waziri Amina came and testified. Farida Karonei came and testified. Land Commission came and testified. They all said it's private. I became an enemy. Same day, my all bodyguards were withdrawn for speaking the truth. Just this year, recently, the truth was revealed. The Court of Appeal said that is public. So hakuna uongo, hakuna mwisho. Hata impeachment yangu, I believe one day, one time, I'm going to get justice.
So in the deep state, there are people who will not sit well with...
they always protect the government, the president, and the leadership.
So why would the president take that stand? Why did you sign then? Your deed, transfer deed?
And how before you media guys come, we always have our briefs in some private rooms in State House. We rehearse whenever we're going to do how we're going to resign, to speak. There was a lot of intimidation.
Okay.
Wewe fanya hii maliza ni hello. Kitu itakuwa mbaya, itasaidia watu wa Nairobi, vitu kama hiyo. Alafu sasa unajua sasa hivi ilikuwa sijaacha kitu.
So you are coerced.
Unaenda choo, unarudi unachapa kitu, unaanza kuona zidi sana. Unaona vitu zinazo. Hata hiyo changu ukiangalia, it is not the way
alikuwa bila whisky.
State bana serikali. But sasa that is a story imepita, nimekuwa illegally impeached, still looking for justice, and I'm sure I'll get justice one of these days.
You must get justice.
Yeah. Now on the issue of the question now,
yes,
the asset recovery, all these cases, okay, some of them are finished, are concluded in my favor. I'll try in as much as I can. I don't go to the details of the cases which are still active.
And
the asset recovery, I'll talk about it because it has been concluded from the High Court. Justice Sifuna gave a very favorable ruling. Anti-corruption case number 16 of 2020. My man had been frozen.
Yes. But
the manner in which these investigations were conducted, you know, as a recovery thought, they went for 82. Yeah.
Yes.
He was convicted. He lost his properties. Obado lost his property. Some were auctioned for state to recover the money. But I never stole a coin from the public coffers.
Okay.
We have what we call diversionary tactics, character assassination. Even media campaign that was used against me that time to make me look like a corrupt governor. So many things. So these cases were just brought to pave way for my removal, so that other cartels close to the deep state can come and continue their ways. Even after that, we saw guys were being paid cash for supplying fruits. 200 million people connected to the former deep state. So many illegal activities happened in the Nairobi city county government. So what's happened? They froze my accounts, my titles, and I'm very happy because Justice Sifuna, I knew that question will come. Justice Sifuna, in this case, when the investigation was ongoing, I declared my wealth, how I acquired it, how I used to make my money. The blunder they made, even the money I had before becoming the governor, the legit business I was doing before becoming the governor, they went for those properties and the money. And in this judgment of Justice Sifuna, which was delivered last year, around October, the asset recovery lost. Allow me just to take you through so that we talk through evidence and facts. Pages.
There are so many allegations.
Here. I got. So in this case, the asset recovery was the applicant. I was the respondent. I just want to quote what the judge said. Just what the judge said. Now the respondent in his affidavit, the respondent is me. I'll rush in the basis of time. The respondent in the replying affidavit, sworn on the 7th November 2023, opposed the motion by the asset recovery. I denied the allegations made, all of them. I will preserve my accounts. I denied. There were two officers who were given this case. Sergeant Frederick Musoki, who was retired, is from Mukambani, and there's a corporal called Isaac Nakitare. With another corporal called Frederick Morioki. When they went to freeze my money because on the deposits are there. Now the respondent, now me, I denied engaging in money laundering, whether or before, during my time as governor. I said it was not true that from the 17th August 2017 I was the governor of Nairobi. I had not even been sworn in office. I was sworn in office on 21st August 2017. So any money acquired before this period is not process of crime. But they went for everything, even my children's properties, my wife's properties. They were trying to go for it. I further contended that the Asset Recovery Agency rushed to file these proceedings without giving ample opportunity, giving me ample opportunity to explain. Yeah. Further, these proceedings were premised on falsehoods and without any basis, facts, legal foundation. I denied being involved in crime, money laundering, or receiving any suspicious amounts. Okay. In paragraph 16, there were 24 cash deposits before the 17th of August, amounting to around 300 million. I denied. Yeah? But where I want to thank the court, this is what the court said, especially in the foreign exchange money.
Yes.
Yeah? Which I later, remember, disappointed the former president, gave a circular through the CBK that all the lockers should be closed. No investor is supposed to own a locker within the bank to put your valuables. So I had two safe lockers, USD. I had safe locker number 24 and safe locker number 50. Yeah. Nikiuza shamba nimeweka pesa kwa locker, dollar, gold, diamond. Locker number 24 ikaja. Nikafungua locker number 50. Diamond Trust Bank. Now these lockers, they're like accounts. What the fees you paid for the lockers, they are debited in the bank statements. You cannot forge. That's called a CCTV. So we took everything to court. Now, the judge said all these lockers were opened on the 10th of August 2015. 2015. Was there a governor in 2015? No. When he was not Nairobi County Governor, that's the judge. The lockers were open before he became the governor. He in support, this is the judge now, exhibit the account opening statements as annexure marked MSK3 of his replying affidavit. The judge is saying the respondent, now me, has further defended and justified other cash deposits that the applicant has described as suspicious and condemned. Okay? I had business, I had hotels. Yeah? Savings ya hizi pesa naenda kwa bank in cash. Not every cash that you unaweka ni ya wizi. Sawa? Listen to this part now. This is now, I want Kenyans to listen because kila mtu anauliza anatoa pesa wapi.
That is the biggest question.
So the court has found where I got my money. And let me come to this now. Kenyans and the world, just listen. Yeah, this is the judge. The applicant stated that these were proceeds from the sale of properties into brackets to people like Ann Kagure and other investors, Chinese guys, some of which sales he states were for installment payments, for which sales he provided documents in proof as follows. Unajua ukiwa na shamba solo yako iko na jina lako, upate buyer Mchinese, atafanya search, apate jina yako, atakutransferia pesa, ataenda kulipa stamp duty, afanye transfer kwa jina lake. So all my sales had those kind of evidence
and agreements.
So the court says, and I cooperated. I gave all these documents, all these titles. I bought land from Darius Mbela's widow in Loderaka and Kajiado. I bought land from Fred Gumo, who was the Westlands MP when I was still an MP. Shamba kubwa 35 acres kwa barabara imeenda paka kwa river. At a throw, that time I bought around 16 million, 35 acres. Today I can sell that land at 20 million an acre. So the court now, the documents are before the court, with all the annexures, the stamp duty forms, the sale agreements, how I bought, how I sold. Sale of Kwale Shimoni, number 81, I sold at 51 million. Kwale Kajiado Lodiarak 787, I sold at 53 million. Another one in Kajiado after Olepolos, I sold at 37 million. Kwale Golini plot, I sold at 150 million. Another Kwale Golini plot, I sold at 36 million. Another plot, I sold at 24 million. Another plot at Kwale Diani, I sold at 46 million. Another plot at Kwale Kundusi, this is the one from Gumo sold to me as a divided, and sold part of it at 175 million.
Wow.
I live with this judgment with you. And this is the properties I bought even some before I became the governor. Is this crime? Is this money laundering? Is this drugs?
People say
si walile kesi moja nimeshikwa na drugs.
Walete moja.
Na unajua hii mambo ya drugs ilitokana wakati by election ya Makadara.
Yes.
Nikiangusha marehemu Kibaki PNU.
Yes.
Marehemu Raila.
Yes.
Marehemu Uhuru.
Yeah.
Marehemu Kalonzo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Little known. Little known.
si marehemu.
Little known. Aishi maisha marefu. Ni vile alikuwa vice president close to Kibaki. I'm sorry for that.
Let's go for news.
Yeah.
We come back. As Mike movie to Sonko takes some sip of water.
Yes.
The water on top of the water. Keep listening. It's the Spice Drive. I'm host here, Charles Otieno.
And Reed Solo.
Of course, and Mike Movie Sonko. Unpacking for you unfiltered conversations. Keep listening. Do not change that dial.